Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to configure CP trunks on your Yeastar PBX system. CP trunks connect your PBX to the public telephone network using the internet instead of traditional phone lines. Start by logging into your Yeastar PBX using its IP address in a browser. Go to the Trunks section under the PBX menu and click Add CP Trunk. Enter the CP server, username, password, and other details from your provider. You can fine-tune settings like transport method, registration options, and authentication name here. Once you're done, save and apply the configuration. Set up your inbound and outbound rules to manage how calls flow through your PBX. Now test your CP trunk. Make a call and ensure your trunk status is registered. Enable firewall rules. Use strong passwords and activate CPAC protection for secure operations. Let's recap. These are the key steps to get your Yeastar CP trunk working. If this helped, like and subscribe for more PBX tutorials and tech tips.